students, TTWRJC Jetchela Village Circle program, subject economics. In the last video, we learned very short type answer questions in the chapter 2. In this video, we are entering to the new chapter. The chapter name is National Income, Poverty and Unemployment. If you see in this chapter name, there are 3 words in this chapter name. What are they? One is national income and second one is poverty and the third one is unemployment. Okay, let's know the meaning of these 3 words. The first one is national income. If you see in this word, there are it contains 2 words. What are they? One is national and second one is income. Okay, what is meant by national? National means it is a country. It represents a country, okay, or a group of people. What is meant by income? Income means a person earnings during a particular year or particular month. Okay, here means national income means the income of all people in the country is considered as national income during a particular year. This is called as national income. If you see the correct meaning of the national income, it is derived as a value of goods and services produced in a country for a particular year, or in another way we say net value of goods and services. Here net means real value of goods and services without duplication. Duplication means unnecessary charges like transport, okay, like this. Okay, the second one is poverty. Poverty means it is a state or condition in which a person or a community lacks the financial resources. Means financial resources means like food, house, clothes, like this basic needs. And let's see. Poverty is a state or condition in which a person or a community lacks the financial resources and essential for a minimum standard of living. Essential for minimum standard of living. To live, what are the minimum standards? Means minimum needs. What are the minimum needs to live? There are food, water and shelter, protection. These are minimum standards for living. The people who don't have these minimum standards belong to the poverty. Okay, they don't have basic human needs, can't be met for this poverty people. Okay, the third one is unemployment. What is meant by unemployment? The people who are not employed is called as unemployment. Okay, if you take one example, we are not earning any money, we are unemployment? No, not at all. Okay, the people who are doing some work without any protection like shelter, okay, health conditions, they don't get a salary samely. They get one time, if you get sometime more salary, one time they get it is not called as salary, it is called as wages. The people who get wages belongs to unemployment. If you say in another way, the people who don't have a protectional conditions for work or belongs to unemployment. Okay, for example, part-time workers are unemployment because they don't have work for a particular hour. When they want money, they will work for money. These people are unemployment. We say these people are unemployment. And the people who do not have any job or belongs to unemployment. Okay, now we knew the meaning of national income, poverty and unemployment. Okay, thank you. In the next